Tall, dark, and handsome. Siya na ba ang sinasabing perfect example ng TDH ni ex-PBB housemate Shuvi Etrata? Sabi kasi ng fans, pang big winner ang atake sa paglabas ng Island Ate ng Cebu sa bahay ni Kuya. Nang sunduin siya ni balikbayan sparkle heartthrob Anthony Constantino with bouquet of flowers. Say tuloy ni Mom Clarice de Guzman, hindi naman inakala ni Anthony na magiging usap-usapan ang pagsundong ito.
Great to have the buzz and everything, but my intention was just to be there to really support Shuvi and Ate Clarice as well, as it was like an unexpected eviction. So yeah, I really just wanted to be there to support them and show my love.
Ikinagulat ni Anthony ang lalo pang pagdami ng mga sumusuportang netizens.
It's great always to be known, so hopefully I'm able to use my platform for something great. I love the fans, love all the fans, of course.
Kasama si Anthony sa birthday lunch para sa April, May at June celebrants ng Sparkle. Naroon ang iba pang kasamahan niyang Sparkle stars tulad nina Faith Da Silva, Sandro Mulak, Sean Besagas, Ashley Rivera, Sky Chua at apat sa Cloud 7 members na sina Johan, Cairo, PJ at Fian.
Happy birthday to all our celebrants, and I love that this opportunity makes them have a bonding experience. Lumalakas yung friendship nila, yung feeling of family, not just amongst themselves but also with the Sparkle staff.
Mabuti na lang at nagka-chance silang mag-celebrate lalo't nasa California, USA si Anthony with his family noong actual birthday niya last May 30. Si Shuvi naman nasa bahay ni Kuya nang mag-birthday noong June 4.
Honestly, kind of sad, but also she was obviously in the house at the time, so she celebrated her birthday in the house too, so hopefully we're able to both celebrate outside of the house.
Pero handa na ba siyang gumawa ng show sa GMA kasama si Shuvi?
Oh, yes, of course. I think I've gotten many comments from the fans. I don't know, they would love to see that, so whatever the fans want, whatever Shuvi wants, is something that I want, of course.
Pinagpaplanuhan na rin ni Anthony at Shuvi ang pagpunta sa Bantayan Island kung saan nakatira ang pamilya ni Shuvi.
I've never actually been to Cebu ever, so I think that's a priority on my list now. I heard it's a beautiful place, and I've seen pictures, of course. Yeah, and all of Shuvi's family's there, so maybe one day, soon, I'll be able to go there.
What's the real score? Sorry Ako, nasa hot seat ka.
Nanliligaw yun bago ako pumasok.
Gusto mo pa siyang kilalanin.
Gusto ko pa
Nagkataon
siyang
nga lang,
kilalanin.
papasok ka sa loob ng bahay.
Yes po. Maligaw muna pa siya. Oo, maligaw pa
Okay.
siya.